Picture this. You're drawn to someone special, and you're eager to make a lasting impression. It's a familiar scenario, isn't it? Well, today, we're unmasking 3 potent psychological tricks that can help you win her heart and make that impression unforgettable. Whether igniting a new flame or reinforcing an existing bond, these techniques are your secret weapons to increase her affection towards you. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey. First on our list is a technique called mirroring. This is a subtle art of echoing the other person's body language, gestures, and even their speech patterns. When executed correctly, mirroring creates a unique bond and understanding, making her feel more at ease and attracted to you. It's a silent yet powerful way of saying, "Hey, we're on the same wavelength." Next, we delve into the realm of active listening. This isn't about merely waiting for your chance to speak, it's about being fully present in the conversation, showing genuine interest in her words, asking thoughtful questions, and acknowledging her feelings. Active listening showcases empathy and understanding, the cornerstone of a robust emotional connection. Finally, we arrive at the power of genuine compliments. It's a universal truth. Everyone relishes a good compliment, but the real magic lies in the authenticity and specificity of your praise. Say goodbye to generic words and focus on the unique, the special. Notice the small things and compliment her on those. A sincere compliment can make her feel valued and cherished, amplifying her attraction towards you. And there you have it, 3 potent psychological tricks to win her heart and leave a lasting impression. Remember, building a genuine connection takes time and effort, so patience and consistency are your best allies. Apply these techniques with sincerity and watch the magic unfold. If you found this insight helpful, show some love with a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening relationship advice and psychological hacks. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.